Yes, Mr. Moore.
Yes. Bless your lordship. Lordships, I would like to mention item 11 of the hearing.
11.
Yes.
Okay.
Let this matter will come up after 3 weeks, your lordship.
Okay.
I'm for respondent 2 and 4, Lordship. I have no objection, Lordship.
Mr. Moore, you're for the government.
Yes, yes. And for
Respondent number
1 and 3.
1 in 3.
1 and 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
Mr. Moemchan, the learned senior government advocate, for the respondent government, for the state respondent number 1, 2, and 3. 6 adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Stop. The same is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, I'm for
Listed
respondent
up.
number 4, Lordship. I'm also the respondent in this case, Lordship.
Oh, who is the petitioner?
Supumwati, my learned friend, Supumwati,
Oh,
Lordship.
oh, stop. Just, okay. Cancel that next time. None appears for the petitioner. Listed after 3 weeks.
Published, lordship.
Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item number 16, Lordship. I'm for the sole respondent in this case, Lordship. If this
1-6.
1-6, Lordship.
1-6.
1-6, Lordship.
Oh.
If this
You're
matter...
for the petitioner?
Yes, I'm for the respondent, Lordship. For the respondent. State is for the appellants, Lordship.
Okay, okay. Madam, you are appearing?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
If this matter can be taken up after vacation, Lordship.
Okay. Item 16, on the prayer of Mr. Moajamir, the learned counsel for the respondent number,
The sole respondent, Lordship.
for learned counsel for the sole respondent, listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Much like Lordship.
Bless your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention item 12.
Yes, please.
This matter relates to jurisdiction of the court. Now, let this matter will come up after 3 weeks.
Yes, Mr. Iralu,
Lordship, I think 12 and 13 are analogous.
pardon?
I think 12 and 13 are analogous.
12, 13. Yes,
Yes, Lordship. After 3 weeks.
Mr. Moemchan, the learned senior government advocate. 6 adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Published.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
I beg to mention item number 17, hearing item 17.
Yes.
This matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. Your
Ma'am,
Lordship,
you are the counsel for the appellant?
yes, Your Lordship.
Appellant.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, in the meantime, direction may be given to prepare the paper book.
Whether LC or LCR is.
Else is received.
Okay. LCR is received. The registry is directed to prepare the paper book and to supply the same to the parties at their cost, listed after preparation of the paper book. Okay? Okay?
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lords, item number 15. Lordship. Hearing item number 15. Lordship, we have a joint, the council have a joint prayer today. Lordship, if it may be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Much of okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
I beg to mention item number 14.
Yes.
Kind to be fixed after 2 weeks. Sir.
You're the counsel for the petitioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Yes,
For admission, item number 1.
yes, Mr.
May it please your lordships.
Yes.
Now, my lord, when this honorable court passed the order dated 6th of September 2023 to deposit the cost of 50,000, the same came to the knowledge of the Honorable Supreme Court on 11th of September 2023, and that was extended till October 13th.
Okay.
But on October 13th, this matter was not discussed before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Okay.
So since the interim was not extended, my lords may kindly permit my clients to deposit the draft before the registry today.
Okay. What about the work? You are
My lord?
depositing money. Okay. We happily accept. What about the work?
As far as the work is concerned, my lord, we have progressed more than 3% overall. So, lordship, as far as the big project is
Mr.
concerned,
Joshua, see,
Yes, Lordship.
this is the best weather condition for you to work
in the last few
within
days,
the ROW.
yes, lordship, in the last few days, the weather is becoming considerable, lordship. That we acknowledge and appreciate this honorable court, lordship.
So do something.
Yes, lordship.
Do something. The weather is
will,
good
Lordship.
now. Next time, don't give us the. At least do some substantial work, and then
My lord.
next time, don't give us that excuse that weather is bad. Because
Lordship,
actually, something
Lordship.
can be hidden, but weather cannot be hidden from us. Na? We all know what is the condition of the weather.
Exactly, lordship.
Okay. What is the order? What is the order?
The order or the honorable Supreme Court
No,
or
no, this
the
court's
order of
order,
this
the
honorable
last
court?
order.
Worship
Uh,
6/9/2023.
Yes, the 6th of September.
May I read, Lordship? Or
This 6/9.
6/9/2023, Lordship.
Six nine. This one. Yes, Mr. Joshua,
My
you
lord.
were also asked to file affidavit
Yes, lordship, we have filed this morning.
this morning. I filed.
Yes, lordship.
Which is that affidavit? You're for the respondent number?
9, lordship, the contractor.
Okay. What is your progress? 46,
Yes, lordship.
4650.
4650.
And 1 and 2? 1 and 2, Mr. Sintianger, or who is appearing 1 and 2? Mr. Ma,
Lordship.
do you agree 46%?
Lordship, there's slight variation. Lordship, the
Where
authority
have you
engineer
stated in which
has filed the affidavit, Lordship.
authority 1 and 2, no? 1 and 2.
10. Respondent number 10.
Authority engineer is for?
10, Lordship.
Authority, okay, authority engineer.
There's a slight
Yes.
variation, because, my lord,
I don't find the affidavit of respondent number 10 or affidavit on behalf of, okay, respondent number 10. What is the variation? Let us see, what is the, as per you, what is the
variation is
completion?
that, my lords, I have included only the fully completed portion, whereas the contractor, he has also included the work that is under progress.
44.63.
Yes, my lords.
Mr. Joshua,
Yes, lordship.
last time it was 42.
My lord.
The progress is very slow.
In fact,
Please impress upon your client
my lord,
to at least come up with some progress. We all know that this road has been initiated so moto by this court in public interest.
my lord, lordship.
And who is for this respondent 1, 2, and 8?
1, 2, and 8.
You are the
Lordship, the central government as well as the NHIDCR Lordship. Since we have appointed the authority engineer Lordship, the affidavit filed by authority engineer
Mr.
will
Santi is
suffice.
for
Lordship.
authority engineer.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Joshua,
My lord.
today we are not passing any adverse order, but kindly see that next day.
Lordships,
At least, show some progress.
my lords.
Okay?
Yes, Lordship. And my lords,
Yes, please.
if I may beg your lordships to kindly reflect the permission to submit the draft amount of rupees 50,000 to the registry today in the course of the day.
Okay, let us just proceed. Mr. MS Lucino, on behalf of Mr. A. Jimomi, the learned amicus curiae. Uma, Mr. MT, you have, okay, Mr. Mo, you're for 1 to an 8.
1 to 8, Lordship.
Mr. Mo Jamil, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 8. Mr. Im Tim Sung, the learned additional AG for the respondent 3 to 7, 11 to 12. Mr. Joshua, learned counsel for the respondent number 9.
Yes, Lord.
And Mr. Santianger, learned counsel for the respondent number 10. On 6/9/2023, this court had ordered that on the next date fixed, the respondent number 9 shall file detailed affidavit showing the progress of the way, showing the progress of the road within the ROW. Stop. The respondent number 10 was also directed to file detailed affidavit on the progress of the work carried out by the respondent number 7, respondent number 9, within the ROW. Stop. The respondent number 9 has accordingly filed the affidavit dated 18/10/2023, where the Mr. Joshua, you're for 9, na?
Yes, Lordship.
Where the physical progress of the work is shown as 44.63% and the financial progress as 39.26%,
46.50, Lordship.
46.63.
50.
That is my affidavit, my lord.
Oh, 10, I'm sorry. Yes. Where the physical progress of the work is shown as 46.50, not physical progress. The respondent number 9 has also filed the affidavit dated 18/10/2023, showing the physical progress of the work as 44.63% and financial progress as 39.26. in between the two affidavits, it is seen that there is a slight variation in the progress of the work. In terms of the orders earlier passed, no, in terms of the affidavit earlier submitted by the respondent number 9 and 10, the progress of the work appears to be very poor. And we are also not at all satisfied with the progress of the work undertaken by the respondent number 9. We accordingly direct the respondent number 9 to make a serious endeavor so that there is substantial progress in the construction of the road. Stop. On the next date fixed, the respondent number 9 shall file a proper affidavit showing the progress and the completion of the work showing the progress and the work completed Stop. The respondent number 10 shall also file an affidavit indicating the progress of the work made by the respondent number 9. Mr. Joshua, regarding costs, you submitted to the registry.
Lordship, my juniors went to submit this morning, but since the time has already lapsed, the registry wants to get the direction of this Honorable Court.
Okay. The cost of rupees 50,000 in the form of draft, which is in the form of draft. No. The cost of rupees 50,000, okay, which was imposed by this court on 6/9/2023 shall be paid by the learned counsel for the respondent number 9
My lord.
to the registry in the course of the day.
My lord.
Okay. Listed after. We give you sufficient time.
My lord.
Listed after. Listed.
After a month, my lord.
More than a month we give you.
My lord.
You come with the progress.
Lordship.
We give you more than a month.
My lord.
This is on 29/11.
Lordship.
Okay. Listed on 29/11/2023. So we're getting more than a month, almost 1.5 months.
My lord.
So kindly give us some result. Okay.
Lordships.
Yes.
Lordships. Bless you, Lordships.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes, Mr. Gauhati.
I'm challenging the order of the order passed by the kid.
Is it listed for hearing? We listed for hearing.
It is not for him, yes. I don't.
We listed for hearing. Item 2.
Item 2, yes.
Oh, we listed for hearing. It is not in the hearing, it is in the admission column. We listed in the hearing list.
The question is whether they are going to file your affidavit or not. They have not filed their affidavit.
Oh. You still haven't filed your affidavit?
I filed it.
Oh, you haven't filed?
No, today I have appeared.
So it is, why fixed? Why fixed? Why this is coming up as a fixed matter?
Lordship, at the request of my learned friend, since he's outside,
Okay.
it has
okay,
been
okay,
fixed
okay,
today.
Last part of November.
Okay, okay.
In the minute, record may be called for that is board proceeding and attendance register. Attendance register and board proceeding.
You first file your affidavit. Let us
Yes,
see. You
yes.
first file your affidavit.
Yes,
And let us see only after that whether it will be necessary or not.
yes.
Okay. Your good name?
A. Ahmed.
A.
Ahmed.
Mr. A. Ahmed. The learned counsel for the respondent. 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. Listed on. You give a date.
And November, last part of November. 29.
Listed on 29/11/2022 as suggested by the learned counsel for the respondent. Okay? Okay.
Much lordship.
Yes.
For admission, item number 3.
Lordship, Lordship, let this matter be taken up after the listed matters?
For hearing?
Yes, Your
No.
Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, there is an urgency in this matter.
What is the urgency?
Because the schools.
This is that Hindi?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Lordship.
It will take time. It will not complete today. It will take time. I know.
If not, my lords will appreciate that there is some.
Immediately,
urgency
we are
involved in
having a
this
good
case.
court, immediately after the vacation.
My lord.
Immediately after the vacation.
If you do not,
If it is actually a long hearing matters,
it won't be
better.
that much long, Your Lordship. It's only just whether the petitioner.
No, I know the case, it will take long. Because I know who are the lawyers who will argue. So
Perhaps
don't take a chance, because after hearing for a long time, he may say that, okay.
Otherwise, Your Lordship, the school is facing shortages of Hindi teachers because there is an interim order not to declare the result, Your Lordship.
No, not to declare the result.
Yes,
That's
so the schools are facing shortages of Hindi teacher because there are 58 posts of Hindi teachers, Your Lordship.
You take up immediately after vacation. If we take up the matter, if we leave it part-heard, we don't know when we will sit again, brother.
Yes, Lordship.
Take it up immediately after the vacation if there is that urgency.
Then can we fix a date on 15th of November?
Why, when there is urgency, why shift the case to 15?
Lordship, because I have some other
Personal
engagement, Your
difficulties
Lordship,
also.
yes.
You take a chance on 31st or 1st.
31st, I cannot, Your Lordship. I have a video conferencing in ISO bench. And on first the week, Lordship, my cousins are getting married, so.
So you make it on second, if there is urgency.
Second, Lordship, weddings in my family, Your Lordship, so.
Shall we try 8 then?
You say, when you say that you have urgency, I think you should forego the other activities. Like you are making submission today, I think if that urgency is there, then you should forego all your
In
activities.
fact, Lordship, the urgency is there, but my Lord is fully aware that we are a community-based society where it becomes very important. So I understand my learned friend's predicament also.
Okay, we listed on
15.
7th.
Lordship, on
Fifth.
7th, I have in Gauhati, fixed matter in Gauhati.
As suggested, if my Lords may kindly accommodate 15th of November then.
Or Lordship, after 3 weeks, without fixing the date, we can.
Listed for hearing.
Lordship, make it for in admission hearing.
That's why listed for admission hearing. We are listed for hearing on 15/11/2023. Yes.
Bless you, Lord.
Much.
For admission, item number 4.
May I please, Lordship. Your Lordship, I have not received an instruction, Your Lordship. I mean, like, just yesterday, like, I received some, but like, documents have not reached me. And moreover, Your Lordship, I just received an information just now that extension, there's time is being extended again for another 3 months.
Miss, Madam, you see, check up. Because if there is an extension, then I think you may have to file a fresh writ petition if there is another extension. So you just check up.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. MS Livika. This is PP.
No, Your Lordship, I'm appearing in the capacity of a government advocate.
Then
Your
why
Lordship.
all this PP? This is NSA detention.
Detention, Your Lordship, detention.
The learned government advocate, 6/4, 2 weeks time. Okay, to file the affidavit
Yes, sir.
on behalf of the state respondents. Prayer is allowed. Listed after 2 weeks. Considering that the petition relates to the detention of the petitioner,
Petitioner's husband.
the petitioner's husband, under what act?
NSA.
Under the NSA Act. An endeavor shall be made by the state respondents to file the affidavit positively on the next day fixed. Listed on
Eight, Your Lordship.
listed on
8.
8/11/2023.
Much
For-
obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes,
May I
Mr.
please,
Tiba.
Lordship? My Lord, here I'm yet to receive instruction. Can allow me 2 weeks time, my Lord.
Okay. Mr. Tiba, the learned government advocate, is allowed 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 6.
I please, Your Lordships. Lordship, may kindly grant me 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file my affidavit.
This is detention.
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. We give you 2 weeks. File it.
Lordship.
2 weeks. Detention, in fact, actually, we should not. Mr. S. Murray is allowed 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. Since the petition relates to the detention of the petitioner,
Yes, no, Lordship. The accused, Lordship. The petitioner is the brother of
the petitioner's brother, under which act?
Yes.
Under NSA?
Yes, Lordship.
Under the National Security Act 1980. 1980, correct?
Lordship.
An endeavor shall be made by the state to file the affidavit within the time granted. Listed after 2 weeks.
Much Lordship.
For orders, item number 7.
May it please, my lord. We have perused the LCRs which we have received as per this honorable court order passed earlier, my lord.
Yes.
We have perused the records.
What was that order? You know, given the right to inspect the sectors of the development copies of the general counsel of the plan is also allowed to file type copies of the documents in courts in the reconstructed file. You have
However,
also,
however, my lords,
yes.
it is, in my opinion, not necessary to file an affidavit at this stage, my lord. As such, it may
No.
kindly be fixed for admission.
Whether direction was given for you to file affidavit?
Yes,
Direction
it
was
is
given only
on my prayer, my lord.
to file type copy.
Yes.
Type copy of the documents.
On my prayer, my
So
lord.
that is not necessary.
Yes, not
Not
necessary.
necessary.
Yes. Only the impugned judgment and order and some letters, correspondence letters written by the superintendent of jail, my lord,
Okay.
for premature release of the petitioner is there in the file. Nothing else. No deposition, no FIR, no seizure memo, nothing, my lord. As such, my lord, since appeal has already been admitted by this honorable court on 22nd of March, if it can kindly be fixed for admission hearing immediately after the vacation.
Heard Mr. Santiago, the learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Kiangami, the learned public prosecutor for the state respondents. Mr. Santiago, the learned counsel for the appellant, submits that it will not be necessary to file type copies of the documents as ordered by this court on 29/20/22. Stop. List the case for admission hearing
On 1st of November, my lord.
on,
Lordship,
okay,
Lordship, on first, one of our colleagues is getting married, so maybe. it
list
could-
the case for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord, my lord. Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 8.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I have instruction to appear on behalf of Mr. R.A. Rongmei. R.A. Rongmei, my lord. R.A. Rongmei, the counsel for respondent number 1. Lordship, the counsel is...
R.A. Rongmei.
Yes, my lord.
Oh,
Lordship, the counsel is indisposed, so kindly grant 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit.
oh, counsel for the respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr.
Mane Konyak.
M. Konyak appears on behalf of Mr. R.A. Rongmei, the learned counsel for the respondent,
Number 1.
and seeks respondent number 1, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that the learned counsel for the respondent is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Give your right, Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 9 and 10.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, this IA is for continuation of delay of 57 days in preferring the instant appeal, lordships.
Yes, Mr. How many days?
57 days, my lord.
Okay.
Lord.
Where have you explained the reason for the delay?
Para 3, my lords.
Heard Mr. Otushi.
Tushi o longko, my lords.
Otushi.
Tushi o longko, my lords.
Tushi Olonkamer. The learned counsel for the applicant. And Mr. V. Jimami, the learned government advocate for the state respondent. None appears for the respondent number 2.
Two, yes.
Whether notice has been issued?
Yes, lordship.
Stop, new para. This application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. Praying for condonation of 57 days in filing the connected appeal against the judgment of conviction dated 5/6/2023 and the sentencing order dated 12/6/2023 passed by the learned district and session judge Kohima, Nagaland in GR case number 114/2019. Stop. The Crown's the reasons for condoning the delay is set out in paragraph 3 of the application. Stop. We have perused the evidence, and we find that the delay has been satisfactorily explained. Stop. We accordingly condone the delay of 57 days and allow the applicant to file the connected appeal. Stop. Application stands disposed. Then what about the main case?
Yes, my lord. If that can be admitted today, my lord.
Where is your main case? Okay, this is okay. In the main case, okay, in view of the order passed in IA Criminal CRL 19 of 2022-23, appeal is admitted, listed for hearing.
Vice worships.
For hearing, item number 18.
Lordship, the petitioner is not present in the court. Last night he informed me that one of his relatives is in the hospital and he will seek adjournment today, but no one appeared on his behalf.
Madam, you are the appellant.
Yes, I'm the appellant, Lordship.
There is no representation on behalf of the respondents. Listed after?
On 15th of November, Your Lord. Yes, November, Lordship.
15.
Yes, yes.
Listed on 15 11, 2023.
Okay, much better.
See you at 1 during the lunch break, Mr. Albert.